Hey Sid, so here's a quick video on how to make a QR code using, you could use anything you want, but I'm just going to show you the Google form so that you can make your own. So what I would do is, I'm in Google, I accidentally clicked that, don't pay attention. You can either go to Google and search forms. You need to be signed into your account, so make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can search forms, or you can just click on these 9 little dots, the square, and in here you'll find forms. So click on forms. And I make a lot of forms for school, so that's why I have all of these. Um, but once you start making your own forms, they'll show up here. What you're gonna do is you get to choose, like, these are just some things that they already have, like some templates they already have. This looks like what you're trying to do, like this contact information, but everything in it you can change yourself. So if you don't like that green at the top, you can change that. All of it's customizable. So like here you change the theme, you can change the image upload, like you could put um, your, like, the header could be your company name or your business card or whatever. You can change the colors, the font style, all of that. All of this can be changed. So once you've done all that, like, let's say you want to change this from contact information to like listing inquiries or what. I mean, I don't really know because I don't work in your field, but I'm just showing you, you can change it. You can add all types of things here. um, like these questions, you can change what kind of questions they are, like drop down, um, all kinds of things. So basically, this is just what it looks like. You save it where you want after you've made it, or like you can save it to a specific folder, right? And you can make this like the address of that specific listing so that you don't, if you keep reusing this one, all of these responses here, once people respond, are going to be for each QR code you make. So if you make a different one each time, then these responses will be just for this address or whatever it is that you're using it for. Okay, so at this point, to get a link for it, so let's say I'm done, I've already edited it, it says everything I want it to say. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on this button right here to get a link for it. So here's the link. You can shorten it too, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. So now I have a link to get to this form. What I'm going to now do is add a tab, go back to Google, and I'm going to search for QR code generator. And honestly, you can use any of these. Um, Click on it. You can choose what you want it to say. I just go ahead and paste it. And here it is. You could also say scan me, like that, like any way you want it, right? And from here, you can print this. So you can it's like you download a JPEG of this image, and whichever one you like, whichever scan me that you put or whatever, you download just a photo of this. With that, you can print it in any size on anything you want, and when you hold your phone up to it, the link to this will pop up. And this will work on cell phones too. So let me know if you have any questions.